Keswick is beautiful, guys. Beautiful. They already put Christmas lights. You know how beautiful it is during the night. So today we are going to a famous fish and chips restaurant. We're just gonna try it. They say it's very good, so we just wanna try it and see how it is. Hello guys, so now we are in Keswick. I'm just gonna show you how the town looks like. Keswick town looks like. They have beautiful houses, as you can see. It's like the sun is coming out also, because it was raining. Like I said, guys, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Comment as well if you know the place. So I'm actually in the middle of the road now. Let me try to go this side. Beautiful houses, guys. So today I'm going to try the local fish and chips right here in Keswick. Actually, Keswick is in the northern part of Lake District. Northern, east, somewhere there. I think it's northern, yeah. So yeah, this is the town here. People have already started decorating for Christmas, getting ready for Christmas. Here you can get your cards and books and everything. Lakeland spices. Okay, we go up this way. So right now I'm in the city center of Keswick. Mountain shoes and clothes for mountain climbing. They also have a Christmas market here. Everything you might need is here. I think you should visit, guys. The Christmas market here is actually good and packed with people. Gonna check the shoes.
We like it.
Yeah.
Don't do it now. Maybe you do it later.
Yes, yeah. Be gone in a minute. Cheers.
Paintings.
Yeah. Thank you.
break.
Thank you.
Cheers, thanks.
Have a lovely day.
Just have a look.
You can also find meat, wooden displays.
Yeah, I know, but we want to go in Cotswold first. Carrying a brush around as well.
Let's try this other side to see what else do they have here. The towers. Wow, it's beautiful. Okay. Go up this way.
It's ridiculous. I mean, I'm going
This is Keswick, guys. It's beautiful.
no, they were just going. That colour,
Just imagine how it looks in the night. It's gonna be very beautiful.
I like walnut cake.
Yes.
A lot of restaurants. If you like sweets, it's beautiful. Imagine how it looks during the night. It's gonna be beautiful here. Beautiful, guys.
I'll give you a call in 5 minutes.
Okay, mate. See you later.
But the rest.
So this is the car park. This is the car park here. That is the hotel there. Hotels. Museum Square. You can see the rain is mounting, guys. It's coming. Huge mountains. It's now getting dark because of the rain is about to come, guys, in Keswick. Square. So yeah, guys, like I said, I'm in Keswick today, showing you the beautiful Keswick. It's about to rain. It's beautiful, guys. You really need to visit this place. Believe me, it's very beautiful. This is Keswick. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe if you like the video. So I'm going to try their local food today, the fish and chips. So yeah, guys, I'll keep you posted. So this is the place, guys. It's called the Kingfisher. Just gonna try their fish and chips. If you know the place, don't forget to like, share and comment. The Kingfisher, guys, in Keswick. Beautiful. So I just got my fish and chips now. Just gonna try and see how it tastes in their local food here, guys. So yeah, this is Keswick for you guys. Nice. So stay tuned, guys. I bought in Kingfisher. Just want to have the experience of fish and chips. They say it's the best. So we didn't get place to actually sit and eat. It was loaded there. So we decided to eat in the car. So I'll show you everything. So this is fish, right? I put it aside. This one is let me see. This is chips and gravy and cheesy, right? Then this one is chips, sausage and cheesy. So yeah, if you know the place in Keswick, Kingfisher. So right now, as you can see, we have a good view. We are along the lake. This is the lake here. As you can see, we're on the lake. This is where we just decide we just relax and eat. Since we didn't get the place to sit in the restaurant. They actually don't have a place to sit. So we decided to drive here on the lake and park and eat here. So yeah, guys, this is it here. just preparing. So yeah, this is Keswick for you. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and comment if you know the place, if you know where these chips you can find them, if you know the place, if you ever tried them and how it tastes. And yeah, you can put in the comments so that some other people, when they visit Keswick, they can also go and try. So yeah guys, so all I can say is bye for now. Let me enjoy my food and catch you in the other vlog. Keswick, bye for now guys.
Close the